Good morning, students. Here we will discuss direct and indirect speech. जनरली देखा गया है कि बच्चे डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को जनरली गलत कर देते हैं. But we have some tables. With the help of the tables, we can make easy. Direct and indirect very easy. ठीक है ना? So we will discuss right now. Table number 1. Present indefinite change into past indefinite. Present continuous change into past continuous change. Present perfect change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. Past indefinite change into the past perfect and past continuous change into the past perfect continuous. Past perfect tense remains as it is. Past perfect continuous tense remains as it is. Will and shall change into the would and the should according to the sense. This is the table of the tense change according to sense. We will come on the second table. Then we have a second table. We have the sign S-O-N. S first person, O second person, and third person. In first person pronouns, we have I or we. Second person pronoun, you and thou. Third person pronoun is a he, she, it, they. First person pronouns in narrations change according to subject. Second person pronouns change according to object. And third person pronouns, no change. We have the third table. Today will be changing to the that day, tomorrow in the next day, yesterday the previous day, tonight the that night, come go the next week the following week, ago before, this that, these those, now then, can could, may might, here there, thus so. And we have some rules for making the perfect sentence of indirect speech. डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट बनाते समय इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को हटा दिया जाता है. सेकेंड रूल, इनडायरेक्ट बनाते समय रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब को सेंस की अकॉर्डिंग टोल्ड, ऑर्डर्ड, रिक्वेस्ट, एडवाइज्ड, प्रपोज्ड, सजेस्टेड, आस्क्ड, एक्सक्लेम्ड एंड विज्ड में चेंज कर देते हैं. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब यदि पास्ट टेंस में हो तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की वर्ब को पास्ट टेंस में चेंज कर देते हैं. लेकिन अगर कोई यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ या कोई हैबिट शो हो रही हो तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब को पास्ट टेंस में होने पर भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस चेंज नहीं किया जाता है. We have some sentences. On the basis of these sentences, we can understand which type of changes we can do in the direct and indirect speech. First sentence is that, read the sentence very carefully. Ramesh says, Mohan is a good boy. Ramesh says that Mohan is a good boy. Kamal said, I'm going home. This is the reporting verb. This is the reported speech. Reported speech is in the present continuous tense. That will be changed into the past continuous tense. तो कमल said, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को हटाकर यहाँ पे जो कंजंक्शन लगेगा वो that लगेगा. Because this is the simple sentence. He was first person change according to subject. So what is the subject? Kamal. That will be come into the form of he. He present indefinite change into the past continuous. Present continuous change into the past continuous. So he was going home. Mohan said to Ramesh, how old are you? This is the interrogative sentence. There are two types of interrogative. First type of interrogative and second type of interrogative. In first type interrogative, we can find the interrogative word. And the second type of interrogative, we don't find the interrogative word. That will be coming to the with the help of the helping verb. So here is the first type of interrogative. Mahesh asked Ramesh how old he was. When we find any interrogative word in any direct speech, that will become at the place of the conjunction, and that interrogative word play the role of the conjunction there. After the using as a conjunction, we will make the simple sentence after that. So Mahesh said to Ramesh, how old are you? Mahesh asked Ramesh how old he was. Mohan said to Sohan, where do you live? Mohan asked Sohan, when we find any interrogative sentence, then reported speech said to change in the asked. Mahin asked Sohan where he lived. The teacher said to us, do you work? The teacher ordered us to do our work. Mohan said, how cold the weather is. Mohan exclaimed that the weather was very cold. The teacher said to the student, the sun is very hot. This is a universal truth. So we can't change anything. The teacher told the students, the sun is very hot. Students, these are the sentences. Those are converted direct from direct to indirect. अगर ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो इसको लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. थैंक यू.